Suppose you can select any kind of business, How can advertise your business at a time multiple pages? In this business promotion, mostly we can suitable by the video. That video, how can I post for multiple pages in a one time? I'm not doing any kind of sharing on your particular video after posting. Just what is the upload video time will give the edit time multiple pages we can share. Multiple page we can share. So that is called, first select your primary page, add your photo or video, select photo or video option. So what option will we select? Only for video. This is not valid for photographs. This is not valid for photographs and web selling. This is valid only for video. That is called across video. Select your option. In this, you can select your any business. Copy here. Add and title. And website URL. Add your keywords. Now, add your thumbnail. Any kind of video will be posted. First thing is the thumbnail is the more powerful. Next, subtitle for English. Next, poll. Poll at the end, you can create the poll your wish, create or not. Next, tracking. Mr. Marketing. Services. Next, add your domain name. Next, you will be click for next. What option will be done? Video details, thumbnail, subtitle. Always remember, video title I'm adding only for URL. I'm not mentioned by phone number. Why? I'm looking for this video is related for which one? My website traffic. So after click for next. In this, very important option is called on-time live. This will be on-time premiere. Next one, when coming to scroll down, here, what option is called? Add your playlist. Any video you can promoting for multiple playlist. That is called you can promoting for multiple keywords. So in this select by any keyword. Done. And very important call, you can add by other pages. What is the relevant pages you have? We can promote by the time multiple pages. Now I can promoting for one. So how many pages you have? Select it. But here one condition will be there. After posting, I show the condition. This condition is previous not there, but is updating for new condition. So how many pages I'm selecting? Total 4 pages. Now done. Final option. To turn on reaction, comment and share. You can turn off reaction, comment and share. Which one? Third party user not sharing for comment and share and reaction. So this will be not. Only turn off live commentary. Only one option is there. Turn on live commentary. Suppose we'll check here. I'm remove the premiering. I'm remove the premiering. Check. Is enabled only for turn off live commentary option. This will be not valid for people will not able to share, react or comment on your post. This will be not valid for your particular option. So allow embedding, display and watch. Let's publish now. On time live. Select it. First you can check. First earning 3 minutes video not available. Video description done. Tags done. Next will be SD video. No SD video. People tend to enjoy video in high definition, but we're not using for SD. Two option will be not done. Which one? 3 minutes and SD quality. So this will be not for earning purpose. This will only for promotion purpose at a time. The video will promote for total 1 page to remaining 4 pages. Total how many pages promoting for this video? 5 pages. Publish. After publishing, you have to do one task that is called, you can wait for up to publish. They receive one message on your particular page. What are the pages you are sharing? They receive one message by here. The message is called approve other page video. Approve other page video. Click for publish. So first you can wait. We are going to process. First time always you have to need patience to add the video and after to approve by the other pages. How many pages you are display? Every page you have to approve by manual position. You will approve by manual position. So wait for a few seconds. Now Premiere started. Now refresh. Now we can receive one message here. You receive message. One video added this year week. You can cross post. What is the click for? See more. We have to the page is approved. The previous this rule will be not there. The recently the rule will be given by the Facebook. So many people uploading so many Facebook pages. These are approved for admin access. So that is called the any video you can share by other pages. First of all, the page person will be approved your video. So in this video you can cross post. Refresh. So what are the you have done your class posting? Will check on by your see videos. That is going to your publishing tool. That is going to your publishing tool. So in this, the video came by here. Select the video and start to click for publishing. Select the video and restart your create post with this video. So we need to patiently require on your options are show or not. Next and publish. So what are the page you are uploading? You have to manually upload on your particular page. This option will be previous automatically will post on page. But new method will come into what are the pages you are posting. The page also approve your ad of the video. So after the video adding for where on your page. Is it clear? So what are the video you shading for one page to another page? The third party page person the approve your video by clicking where using publishing tools. So in a Facebook recently same facing one problem is called publishing tool is not properly browse your page. Properly not browse your page. There is a recently facing the problem that is called you maintain a create a studio on particular option. Is it clear? That is called the Facebook will be launching is a new application is called Facebook Creator Studio. And I'll show the second option. I'm using for sharing the video by page to page. Now I'll show by second option here. Select option called is Facebook Creator Studio. Now can you add here? Previous I'm showing for page option. Now I'm showing for Creator Studio option. Select post. Upload video. In this select your this video, upload it. Which video you can select by here? Select in your option. I've select my page. See, paste it. Next, add your thumbnail. So you can go for this a number of thumbnails here. So add your image. Any video, what is the most important here? Thumbnail option. So in this, next, same option you can see. We can go for pages. One page you can go for another page. If you're posting individual pages or Creator Studio, both are will be same. Same publishing, new year. What are the pages you're selecting? Select your page. How many pages you want to select? Select the all pages. Now click for publish. If you go individual pages or Creator Studio, any difference? No different for the any option. So this is called to publish our video one page to another page. They will be up after uploading to approve by the third party page to add the video on your Facebook business page. Auto publish will be not accepting in the new condition of Facebook page to another Facebook page. That is manually submit by the other page to accept your video. Please note down.